Right, it's well, a little bit breezy today. I hope the wind's going to hold on. We're going to get the French doors today, the patio doors. Take them out and put in the new one. So here we go. Let's get a start on ripping this one out. So that wasn't so bad. I suspected pretty rotted. Yeah, so I'm just going to clean the brick up, get any remnants of dust and old plugs out, take them all out. Got a bit of a nest up there. Got to take this one out, get it clean. This I'm going to replace after when the window's in. Not going to be too much of a job. You can see we've got a bit of an internal. You get up right up there. You've got a bit of an internal support lintel, old wood for the rafters, if you like, or the beams up the top for the roof. So I knew that you weren't supporting anything. So I'm just going to clean up. I might leave these old packers in place just to help me out when I'm pre-drilling. But you can see it's all concrete, old-fashioned concrete cast sort of stonework. I normally like to use masonry screws for window frames, but I have got some of those knocking easy fittings with the wall plugs already on, just in case it did crumble. I want a good fix, so I'd rather put a plug in there. You're going to clean up. Might have to put a bit of cement in these pockets down here, probably shove them in from the back afterwards, and then seal it all around with the mastic. Don't know why they use plasterboard in an outbuilding. Silly choice really. Should have just done the old-fashioned browning. Obviously you're going to get damp, there's no heating, so that's why I'm going to be probably boarding out the reveals. I don't want to go to town. I'll just hide it, seeing as it's my property anyway. But yeah, a mess falling in. So we're going to clean it up. I'll catch you in a short while. Not much to it really. Make sure you get all your residue off. My brick's quite clumsy, so I could take the brick off as well as the old silicone or sealant, whatever they use, the putty type stuff. Dusted down. I'm going to get the window sill cut now. Looks like I'm not going to be cutting round. I forgot it is short, and not the 70mm normal stick out. So as I'm going to the existing area reveal, I'm not going to have enough window ledge, if you like, to go around the brickwork, so it's going to get cut to size, and then I'll do a nice backfill these pockets here with some concrete before I seal it all up. That's just where the old door frame went. Obviously before this probably did the patio or the step. Right then, let's do it. Well, it fits. It's a bloody weight, I know that. That's it. That's better. Alright, everything's pre-drilled, ready to go. I just flip the doors upside down. I'm going to run a couple of beads of mastic on here, silicone, screw the window board on from underneath into the alley, and then get him in, clamp him up again and screw it up. Let's do it. Oh, we're not doing bad. Back in place. Leveled out on the bottom back on my packers. Clamp back up. I'm just going to start banging the fixings in and packing out the back, so when I nip it up it's not going to distort the framework. But yeah, going to change it completely. Looking good. Happy. Oh, we've got the doors in, just need to do the vents. Adjusted all the brackets and the locks, and it all shuts pretty good now. Got the gaps right, everything looks pretty plumb, vertical and horizontal. It's a nice low threshold. Everything's finished off. I need to put a beam in when I do the guttering. I'm going to pop a treated tannalised beam in above that and tie it into the lintel beam, wooden beam, and then that'll get rid of that little bit of rock. There's not much there, but it needs a few fixings in for sure. But all the rest of it's pretty nice. It shuts pretty well. Don't have to do much. Small. That's quite nice. Quite pleased with that. Trickle vents on, in place. Just got to mix some cement for the corners. Fill that in before I seal. I think I might get some expanding foam for the gaps. This side ain't too bad. But if I use some expanding foam, it'll grab anyway and stiffen it up, so I can go up, run all the way down there. But yeah, trickle vents on. Great day.